Hi everyone, so we've looked at different techniques for cutting KERDI-board and we've looked at how it can be glued together. Let's bring all of that together now and focus on the construction of KERDI-board, and in this particular case we're using a seat as an example. So this is a 50mm board which has been cut down accordingly, and now we're going to use KERDI-Fix adhesive to bond all the edges together. Now the KERDI-Fix adhesive takes about 2 to 4 hours to actually set. So what we recommend is the use of some long screws. In this particular case we're using 75mm KERDI-board screws, and this will just help that the object keeps its shape when you turn it over and bond the opposite edges together. It also means that it keeps a nice square edge and everything remains plumb and true. Okay, so I'll just let this video play out now, and if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the link below. Thanks a lot.